In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Notion. Notion is a powerful, all-in-one workspace for notes, documents, and project organization, and getting the desktop app set up on Windows takes just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start using it right away. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Notion.com. This is the official download page for the desktop app. The site typically detects your operating system and shows the correct download option. Click the download button to get the Windows installer. Your browser may ask where to save the file. The default downloads folder is perfect. You'll see the file name as Notion Setup. .exe. Let the download finish before moving on and keep your internet connection stable until it completes. Next, run the Notion Setup. .exe file on your Windows computer. You can open it directly from your browser's recent downloads or by navigating to your downloads folder and double-clicking the file. Windows may show a prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. This is a standard security check. Choose to allow it so the installer can proceed. The setup is quick and typically doesn't require clicking through a lot of options. It installs the application and adds shortcuts so you can launch Notion easily in the future. In many cases, Notion will open automatically as soon as the installation finishes. Now, open the application and log in. If Notion didn't launch on its own, you can start it from the desktop shortcut or by searching for Notion in the Start menu. On first launch, give it a moment to initialize. You'll see the sign-in screen where you can enter your Notion account details. Once you are signed in, the app will sync your workspaces and pages. The left sidebar will populate with your content, and you'll be ready to create notes, manage tasks, or collaborate with your team. If you prefer to stay logged in, look for the option to remain signed in so you don't have to re-enter your details next time. If the download doesn't start on the website, refresh the page and try again. If your browser flags the file because it's an executable, confirm that it's the Notion installer you just requested and proceed. And if the app doesn't open after installation, launch it from the Start menu. That's it. Download, install, open, and log in. You are now set up to use Notion on Windows. Thanks for watching.